Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to mark an item sold on Grailed. The first thing you need to do is to launch your web browser and go to www.grailed.com. If prompted, click the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter email and password or use Google/Apple credentials if you signed up that way. After logging in, you will be redirected to your homepage or dashboard, which we have in here. Now, hover over your profile icon, which is at the top corner, and click on your profile name. And that's pretty much going to take you to your listings, your listings window, which we have in here. Now, sellings, favorites, saved, closets, reviews. You don't have any listing for sale. So if you want to start a listing, go ahead and click on start a new listing to start adding your listing. But if you have an existing listing, you're going to see all your listings in here. So in your listings, locate the item that you have sold. Click on the item to view its details and listing page. On the item's listing page, look for the Mark as Sold button. Okay, look for the Mark as Sold button or link. This is usually found near the top or bottom of the listing. Click on Mark as Sold. Then the confirmation dialog may appear asking if you are sure you want to mark the item as sold. This is to prevent accidental changes. Confirm that you want to mark the item as sold by clicking confirm or OK. After confirming, the item should now be marked as sold and will no longer appear in your active listing. You can check your sold items, which we have in here, or archive listing section to see that the item has been successfully marked as sold. And that's just pretty much so. If you want to release the item in the future, you may be able to do so from your sold or archived items. So ensure that you communicate with the buyer about shipping details and any necessary follow-up after the sale. That's the complete process for marking an item as sold on Grailed. So go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.